Welcome to another episode of One Trip at a Time. You can probably tell where we are right now based on what you see. Yes, you are right. We are here in Singapore. Singapore is one good destination for fun seekers, thanks to its bustling and vibrant metropolis. Contrary to its small size, there are many Singapore tourist attractions just waiting to be discovered. The best part is that many of these are free. So if you think you have already spent much on airfare, hotel, and attraction tickets, you can choose to visit these places instead. In this special episode, we will feature worthy tourist spots that will help you make the most of your time in the Lion City without hurting your wallet. By the way, if it is your first time in the channel, please do like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell icon to be updated every time we have a new travel video. Doing this will help us continue producing similar contents in the future. The first free attractions we will feature are nestled along Singapore River, the Cavanagh Bridge, and the Fullerton Hotel. Both structures offer a fascinating glimpse into Singapore's rich history. The Cavanagh Bridge, built in 1869 and now a pedestrian crossing, is a perfect spot for photo opportunities and leisurely stroll. Just beside the bridge stands the Fullerton Hotel, a grand colonial-era building that was once Singapore's post office. Now repurposed as a luxury hotel, be sure to admire its stunning facade and capture its timeless beauty in photos. Located across the hotel is Fullerton Promenade. It is a scenic waterfront path that offers a picturesque view of the Marina Bay area. The promenade stretches towards Merlion Park, one of the country's most iconic landmarks. Here, you'll find the majestic Merlion statue. From this vantage point, you can have unobstructed views of the statue and the downtown skyline, making it the perfect spot for photo ops. Across the Jubilee Bridge is the Esplanade. Known for its unique, large, thorny domes that resemble the king of fruits, the Esplanade has earned the nickname the Durian. It is currently Singapore's premier arts and cultural venue. Visit the Esplanade to enjoy free outdoor performances and explore its art exhibitions. The next spot is the Helix Bridge. Its futuristic design was inspired by the structure of a DNA strand, symbolizing life and growth. The bridge is also a great place to spot Marina Bay Promenade and the striking Art Science Museum. The promenade is also home to the impressive floating Apple Store and the Louis Vuitton boutique. From the promenade, you can freely access the symbol of Singapore's skyline, the Marina Bay Sands. This stunning property houses over 2,500 luxurious rooms and suites, a variety of restaurant options, and the largest casino in Singapore. It also houses the shops at Marina Bay, offering an array of luxury brands, high-end boutiques, and a diverse selection of retailers. We're here at Gardens by the Bay, one of Singapore's most beautiful green spaces. One of the park's most famous features is the Super Tree Grove. You can wander through the grove, marvel at the towering vertical gardens, and enjoy the views from the surrounding walkways, all for free. This is a perfect spot for photos, especially during the Garden Rhapsody light and sound show at night. Next up is Palawan Beach, nestled on the southern tip of Sentosa Island. Palawan Beach offers a slice of paradise for beach lovers of all ages. The beach is known for its numerous free attractions, such as the southernmost point of continental Asia, which can be reached using this suspension bridge. Once you reach the other side, you can climb up a tower to enjoy stunning views of South China Sea and the surrounding islets. Also located within Sentosa Island is the Sentosa Sensoryscape. This pathway of multi-sensory experiences connects the beaches and resorts world Sentosa. But more than just a passage for respite and wayfinding, this 350-meter verdant connector is comprised of several sensory gardens, which combines nature, architecture, and technology to awaken all senses. As the sun sets, Sensoryscape unveils her beauty through unique digital light art installations. One such example is the light projection on the wallscape, which tells the story of how light and fire sparked the senses and imagination of our ancestors. The best part is that, like the rest of the attractions featured in this video, the Sentosa Sensoryscape is free to visit all day long. The next free attraction is located in the heart of Singapore's vibrant Chinatown. It is none other than the Buddha Toth Relic Temple. This striking four-story building is dedicated to the sacred tooth relic of the Buddha. It is believed to be one of the most revered Buddhist relics in the world. Enjoy free entrance to marvel at the temple's traditional Tang Dynasty-style elements. Take a moment to contemplate and offer prayers, incense, and flowers. After visiting the temple, don't miss the chance to explore Chinatown. It is a bustling district that seamlessly blends old-world charm with modern vibrancy. Wander through its narrow streets and colorful lanes to discover a harmonious mix of traditional Chinese architecture, busy markets, and contemporary attractions. Discover how art comes alive in Chinatown around the corners and alleys of eateries and quaint boutiques. Take IG-worthy photos with a mural called My Chinatown Home or this one called Plug Maker and Kitchenware Shop. There are many other gorgeous street arts here, but majority were created by local artist Yip Yu Chong. Another free tourist site within Chinatown is the Sri Mariamman Temple. The Sri Mariamman Temple is the oldest and most iconic Hindu temple in the city. This sacred site is dedicated to the Hindu goddess of health, prosperity, and protection. The vibrant, intricately designed architecture of the temple reflects traditional South Indian style, and its ornate carvings and bright colors make it a visual masterpiece. Visitors to the temple are welcome to enter, observe, and even partake in simple rituals like offering flowers and incense. Even if you are not looking to buy anything, a stop at Boogie Street is an interesting experience. This bustling market is home to over 800 stalls, each offering its own unique selection of goods, making it a must-visit for anyone looking to pick up affordable items. Its lively atmosphere and constant stream of visitors make it an exciting shopping haven. Orchard Road's main boulevard is filled with stunning shopping malls, luxury fashion, and renowned international brands. One such stunning mall is Ion Orchard. This mall is recognized for its mesmerizing facade, which showcases a multi-sensory canvas. It is a modern architectural marvel, seamlessly blending the elements of style and sophistication that reflect Singapore's cosmopolitan spirit. Do some window shopping and discover why Orchard Road is considered as one of Asia's premier shopping destinations. Pasir Ris Park is a serene and family-friendly oasis in Singapore's eastern region. Covering over 70 hectares, the park is a destination where nature, recreation, and relaxation come together. Be immersed in the sights and sounds of nature with towering trees, colorful flowers, peaceful coastline, open fields, and various wildlife. So whether you're looking to unwind, enjoy outdoor activities, or explore nature, Pasir Ris Park offers something for everyone. Best of all, it's completely free to visit. The last but definitely not the least of the free tourist sites in Singapore is Jewel at Changi Airport. Jewel is a lifestyle destination with over 280 retail stores and dining establishments. The highlight attraction of Jewel is definitely the Rain Vortex, the world's tallest indoor waterfall. As the day turns to night, the Rain Vortex transforms into a dazzling light and sound show. Special projections and lighting effects make the waterfall appear as if it's dancing to music, creating an unforgettable visual and sensory experience. The captivating light and sound spectacle occurs at regular intervals throughout the evening, free of charge. From city sites to historic districts, there are plenty of Singapore attractions that won't put a dent in your wallet. So take that trip and be ready to explore Singapore one amazing attraction at a time.